Good morning student, here I am Dr. Kshatriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Extension Education. Welcome in our today's class in the course number Elective Extension 244, credit 2 plus 1 that is a 3, course title Agricultural Journalism, and today's topic of discussion is agriculture journalism, its definition, its role of agriculture journalism in a rural area or rural development and the problem of agriculture journalism. So, let us start our today's class. So, first of all we are going to discuss about the definition of agriculture or farm journalism. So, it is a specialized branch of journalism which deals with the techniques of receiving, writing, editing and reporting from information through the media like newspaper, periodicals, radio, TV, advertisement. So, we already learned in previous class about the journalism. It is what? It is the assessing, collecting, creative and transfer of that particular information in the form of news story. So, here also same thing is there. It is a specialized branch of journalism. It provide only the information related to what? Agriculture and its allied sectors. So, what is it deals with? It is the technique of receiving, writing, editing and reporting from information through the media like print media, that print media is there, or audiovisual aids or mass media, the newspaper, periodicals, radio, TV, advertising. Okay. So, that is about your agriculture or farm journalism. Here how this information is collected or how it should be provided up to the farm people. So, extension staff is there or subject matter specialist is there or journalist is there, they getting the information related to agriculture, okay, and they providing that information in the form of news stories, magazine article, leaflet, pamphlet, bulletin, circular letters, wall newspaper and radio script, or by taking the interview or by giving the interview at television to the farm people, farm community. Okay. So, that is a way of transferring the technology from extension, okay, researcher to the extension, extension to the farm people. Okay. This is the your agriculture farm journalism, to disseminate the information related to the agriculture with the help of what? With the help of media like newspaper, periodicals, radio, TV, advertising is there, then radio, bulletins, magazine article, leaflet, pamphlet, all the things are there. Okay. Then our next point is agriculture journalism in rural area or role of agriculture journalism in rural development. So, first point we going to discuss here, that is to create awareness and overcome ignorance. So, you know very well that is its modern agriculture is there, new improved practices, new agriculture technologies developed by the different research stations, okay, or different agriculture universities. So, to exchange that new technology from one person to another person, from research stations to the extension worker to the farmer, okay, that should be the information should be transferred and also getting the feedback from the farmer related to that particular technology. So, that is the first point here, to create awareness and overcome ignorance. Then second is to narrow down the gap exists between the level of research, means whatever the research is find or whatever the research is done at agriculture research stations, okay, that and the adoption, actual adoption of that particular research by the farmer, that gap should be filled by, or that should be exist, what kind of the gap is there, that should be the finded by this agriculture journalism. That in simple language, there is a to narrow down the gap in between the researcher, extension worker and farmer, okay, to bridge the gap or to fulfill the gap or miscommunication in between these three things, which researcher, extension worker and farmer. And whatever the research is done at a research station, that should be come to the extension worker have the responsibility to transfer that particular research or the particular improved practices to the farmer and to take the feedback what kind of is the farmer is adopted that particular improved practices or not. So, that is the thing is here, it is a very important role. Then the need of the time is to continue flow of superior scientific technology, because whatever the technology is done at the agriculture research station to the farming community through the different media, means to transfer or to disseminate or to flow the information related to the agriculture technologies, okay, through the different media, that is a newspaper is a print media, newspaper, then a pamphlet is there, magazine is there, folder is there, leaflet is there, okay, journal articles are there, again radio is there, television is there, rather than this social media also there. So, these information should be circulate or continue flow from that scientist to the farmer with the help of this media. Which kind of the media? This agriculture journalism. Okay. Then the next is the effective communication through agricultural journalism of new knowledge from the source of origin to the user provided. Why? How? Because if the information is communicated through the agriculture journalism, then the farmer are getting the detailed information regarding the particular practices, particular any new story, any success story related to the any successive or progressive farmer, and the getting the involvement and to getting the active participation of that particular technology generated as a technology user. They get motivated by this different kind of the articles or the story published in the particular newspaper or the magazine. So, it is a very powerful source of the dissemination of the information, that is agriculture journalism. Then the fifth point is the role of agricultural journalist compare of the function facilitate the effective communication. How? To getting the new agriculture knowledge in a such a way that it should be the effective use and adoption. So, what is the role of agriculture journalist is here? He getting the knowledge regarding that particular new agriculture and he facilitate that knowledge. How? In the way of their writing skills. So, it will be the effective while reading by the farmer or farming community about a particular agriculture technology or improved practices. So, they can motivate to adopt that particular technology, or they are aware to get more knowledge, or they curious the more getting the more knowledge about that particular practices. Okay, that should be the thing is there. Then next it should serve as the information center. This agriculture journalism is the what? It is the serve as the information center. I already told you that. So, through the newspaper, through the magazine, through the radio program, through the television program, or various kind of the things are there. So, it provide the various schemes, means giving the information related to whatever the schemes launched by the agriculture department for the farmers. Okay, then different plans are there, different projects also developed by the agriculture department, state government, central government for the farmers, and facilitate that available like credit, seed, fertilizer. Rather than this, through the newspaper or through the different websites or different social sites are there. So, through that also various agriculture marketed price also available, means what are the minimum price for the particular product or goods, that should be also available, and the information farmer also getting the information from the newspaper or other media. Then rather than this, it provide the information about the weather forecast report. So, what kind of the weather is there in that particular locality or particular area, that should be also getting to the farmer related information about the weather forecasting. Then it gives the information about what? Purchase and sales. So, marketing, what cost is at what is the purchasing cost, what is the selling cost of livestock or any crop or any goods. Then again new development project like construction of new road or a bridge in the village, means the transport facilities. So, all these things also provided by this the agriculture journalism with the help of their different media, newspaper, print media, mass media, like that. Then we discuss about the role of agriculture journalism in agriculture sector or rural development. But also there is some of the problem related to the agriculture journalism. So, we should be studying on this problem, so we can bridge the, or we can make the effective communication with the farmer. So, what are that problem of agriculture journalism? So, there is a lot of problem are there. So, we are going to discuss one by one. The first is a low literacy percentage. I already discussed in the previous class how many illiterate people present in our India. There is a 35% illiterate people present in our India. So, what is this drawback, or what is this problem in this agriculture journalism? Because most of the literature or most of the written material, this illiterate people, means this 35% people can't read. Okay. So, that is one of the problem is there, low literacy percentage. Then second one is the inaccessibility of printed and other media. So, there is accessibility is low at a remote area. How? Because this television, radio, newspaper, they can't reach to that particular remote area. That is one of the problem. Then the lack of farm writers. You know, there is a lot of research work is done at a different research station, at a different university level, okay, different kind of the research are done by the farmer also. They are also getting the new innovative ideas, but there is a lack of farm writers. Means what? Work is there, but that work is not that 100% reach up to the farmers, because whatever the research is done, they are not interested to write that research and not going to publish that research in the different print media or the mass media. So, that is one of the lacuna or problem of agriculture journalism. And the lack of research. Lack of research means what? There is a research is there, but facility related to the research is not present. There is a lack of research, lack of fund, lack of labor or other financial things. Okay. These are the things are not that much up to the point. So, what is happen? That much information is not provided according to the farmers interest, farmers change, farmers attitude or farmers liking. Okay. So, that type of the research is somewhat low rather than the other. So, next point is there a low circulation. Due to the low price, means high price, there is circulation of the newspaper is less. The next is the lack of trained manpower. So, some of the periodicals, some of the magazines, some of the newspaper publications have the lack of trained manpower with them. So, then next point is the financial constraints. So, what kind of the financial constraints is with this agriculture journalism? There is a cost of paper, means printed paper is there, machinery is there, or other whatever the facilities needed for this agriculture journalism with the newspaper, magazines, articles. So, these different kind of the inputs are required. So, their cost is a day by day increases. So, that is why this is the one of the problem related to the agriculture journalism. Then the low leadership, there is about 35% people are illiterate, I already told, and some of the whatever the journals or whatever the magazines or whatever the newspaper is reached up to the peoples, only 80% are the having the leadership of that particular publications. Then next problem is a poor coverage of agriculture news. So, what is that? Non-agriculture news is covered more rather than the agriculture news. Means if non-agriculture paper is there, the agriculture news are very rare in that paper, and whatever the agriculture paper is there, there is a having in the low number. So, that should be one of the problem of this agriculture journalism. Then next is the irregular and inadequate supply of research based information. I already explained this point in that particular problem, but irregular and inadequate supply of research based information is there. There is no irregularity, there is a not adequate supply of research based information should be reached to up to the farmer. So, work should be done on this point, that is the regularity and adequate supply should be provided to the farmer regarding the different new practices and new researches. Then low purchasing power. Some of the rural area people having the below poverty line. So, they cannot afford the price of the newspaper, magazines, journals, any other things. So, that is why it is a one of the problem. Okay. Then unable to tap advertisement support due to the low circulation or that particular accessibility is low. So, that is why advertisement related to the agriculture is less here. So, these are the some of the problem related to the agriculture journalism. So, in today's class we discuss about what definition of agriculture journalism, then role of agriculture journalism in rural development and the problem of agriculture journalism. Okay. So, these are the point you keep in mind. This chapter is for 10 marks, one point is remaining, that is the prospectus of agriculture journalism. We are going to discuss in the next class. Thank you.